on gears. Gears are what drive this thing. Stale metallic air surrounds them. Slow, lifeless, and dully precise. Rotator and half-turning wheels scheme the day. They are my day. Those gears, unattentive and careless of their environment, they talk back and forth, up and down. They almost seem solid. The cycles, the same as I left them. Peering through dark, brown eyes, they stare into the outside air. The gears, all unaware of existence.